Want to achieve this edit? Let's check out the steps included. You can click the button below. Edit with me while watching this video. Begin with uploading your favorite music from CapCut Music Library and black background. Apply video effect, Firefly. Apply to the entire video. Add green image overlay. Shrink its size. Drag it down the screen. Mark first keyframe. Mark another keyframe at end and drag it at the center. Lower opacity to 28%. Similarly, add pink overlay, drag from the top to the center position. Add blue image similarly. Add an overlay of cartoon character you want to use. Just as you place colored images, place these cartoons with the help of keyframes. Add 3 characters like this. Add another overlay of all 3 characters. Give it zoom and animation with the help of keyframes. Add your photo. Apply transition called pull-in. Add blue overlay. Apply heart mask. Give this heart zoom in and out animation with the help of keyframes. Done. Follow for more.